What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage back with another video, man. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my first Supreme pickup of 2019 and my first Supreme pickup from Stockx, man. Are they legit or are they not? You know what I'm saying? We already got to do those controversial titles so I can bring more people to the channel and let them join the vintage game, man. So before we get this, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell for your boy. Follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World. The link will be in the description box below. And let's get right into this video. And shout out to my man, DaRetroWizKid. He always is blessing me with letting me ship my stuff to his house, and he sends it to me. So shout out to you, bro. I'll leave his link in the description box below. And it came in this little package right here. I want to put my information. It came in this package right here. And it was nothing big. It wasn't a big purchase, but it was a lot of money in my opinion. And it came with this Stockx sticker. You already know how it comes. This is my first time getting a sticker like this. It came with the verification thing or whatever. And it came with the receipt. Yeah. Check it out. Blam blam. You already know how this Stockx stuff comes. And as y'all can tell by the small package, I got a Supreme shoulder bag right here, man. I already popped the tags off. It came with this right here, and it came with a Stockx thing. I already popped it off because I wore it last night. Got the package yesterday. Just not doing the video today, but I just wanted to show you guys my pickup, and I want to do like a little try on how to rock it and stuff like that. Like I said, this is my first Supreme shoulder bag. I was thinking about getting the waist bag, you know what I'm saying, throwing it over like I do with this one right here. You see in my pictures. This is just a regular Nike shoulder or waist bag. But I want to get the Supreme, you know what I'm saying, a little satchel, man purse, whatever y'all call it. I was like, man, let me go ahead and cop one. And I think these are very convenient. I seen my boy, The Life of Pal. He'll go check his channel out. He did like a what's in my Supreme bag. So I might do something like that because you can actually put a lot of stuff in here, man. It's very, very convenient. I'm not trying to advertise Supreme nor you getting a man purse, whatever you call it. Hey, call it what you want in the comment section below, but I fucks with it, man. So I might do a what's in my Supreme bag just to show you guys. But in this video, I'm going to do a try on. And I want to show you one more thing. So with this thing I'm about to show y'all, me and my boy DaRetroWizKid was talking, and he gave me the link for the Michael Jordan Funko Pop, and I was like, man, I'm probably just gonna cop this one and my LeBron James one because I already know I copped the LeBron James one last year. Still hasn't got here because due to the shipping overseas and stuff like that. But I was like, man, I'm not going to be copping no more than these two. That's all I need. And he was like, all right, bro, you're going to end up copping a lot more. And I think David McFly told me that as well. And I went ahead and got another one. And it is the Beetlejuice Funko Pop. This is my new little collection thing I'm starting to do. So I have this one, the Michael Jordan Funko Pop. And I have the LeBron James Funko Pop, man. So I'm trying to cop a lot more of that stuff that I was raised up with. And Beetlejuice, if y'all have not seen Beetlejuice, you might be too young. I know all the older cats seen this movie, and this movie I watched like all the time back when I was younger. And this is something I didn't see myself buying because I'm like, I don't play with toys and stuff like that, but this is like something dope that I want to display, go back and look at, and have some memorabilia and stuff like that, remembering what some of these things mean to you, stuff like that. So like I said, I got this one, Michael Jordan one, and LeBron James. Three very dope things that I feel like have something to do with my life. And this one don't have nothing to do with my life per se, but like I said, I grew up watching this movie a lot. If you know what Beetlejuice is, leave in the comment section below. But yeah, check this out, Beetlejuice Funko Pop, man. Very, very dope. So a lot more of these coming to the Funko Pop collection. And yeah, we're gonna get just like that. Back to the Supreme shoulder bag. Like I said, I'm gonna do a video talking about what's in my Supreme shoulder bag. And this might help a lot of people out, I feel like. And I was thinking, like, I'm going to be copping the G7X very soon. I can put my G7X in here, the whole tripod and everything. Whenever I'm done with it, just throw it on the shoulder, throw it in the shoulder bag, and you're done. And then, you know, so I had to go all out and get the Supreme, man. I paid a little pretty penny for this bag, but this is maybe the cheapest one I've seen on StockX. And I want to get another waist bag, but I want to get the red one from Supreme. So hopefully I can get that soon, bring it to y'all, do another try-on haul. But yeah, let's get right into this little try-on video. So here you have it right here. It's a shoulder bag. Just throw it on. This is how I rock it right here. Got it backwards. Hold on. I just throw it just like this, man. Nothing too crazy, nothing too, you know what I'm saying, fancy. I don't know a lot of different ways to rock it. Maybe I'll go search on YouTube and stuff like that and put a new little drip to the shoulder bag wearing, the man purse wearing, whatever you call it. But I'll fuck with it, man. I know a lot of people was hating. I know I went to my boy house last night, played 2K. He was like, bro, you really got a purse? And it was just the laugh of the night, man. But like I said, I fucks with it. I feel like it's fuego. I feel like it's dope, fresh. So yeah, y'all let me know if y'all got one of these. Let me know if you don't want to copy because it's a purse or whatever you want to call it. Leave it in the comment section below because I'm willing to discuss that it is not a purse. It's a satchel, man. It's very convenient. Like I said, I'm gonna drop a video saying showing you guys a lot of stuff you can put in here. Like I got stuff right in here right now. I got my ID, you know what I'm saying? I got my card. I got money. You can put a whole bunch of stuff in here, man. Like, it's crazy, bro. It's crazy. So, yeah, check it out. I want to see how I look on this side real quick. I'm more of a right side type of guy. Might throw it on the left, I don't know. You feel me? Just nothing too crazy, but yeah, Supreme shoulder bag. How y'all like it? Let me know in the comment section below. I should have copped the blue one or the red one because I don't know. This one's more neutral, or the black one because I can rock with anything. But I had the Nike. I had the Nike waist bag, and you already seen pictures of these and stuff like that. That's how I copped that's how I rock the shoulder bag, just like that. Or I might just throw it to the back if I don't need it, so like that. Yeah, I look crazy right now, but hey, I just want to show y'all something. All right, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I got a duck right now because my camera's a little low. But hope y'all enjoy this pickup video of this and the Funko Pop right here, man. A lot more of these coming to the collection. And I got to figure out how I'm going to put them in my man cave. We got a whole bunch of open space in here. But I should be moving into a new house very soon. Please, God, please. I should move in a new house soon. So we're going to save off on the display or whatever. And yeah, let me in the comments below if you got a Supreme shoulder bag, waist bag, whichever one. Subscribe to the channel, ring notification bell for your boy. Follow me on Instagram at DeVintage. I'll follow you right back over there. And with all that being said, I'm going to catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.